Tonight, Kilmar Abrego Garcia's lawyers are asking that he stay in federal custody and not be released for 30 days. WJZ investigator Mike Helgren has the new twist in the high-profile Maryland immigration case.
They've been fighting to bring him back to Maryland because they fear the Trump administration will deport him again without due process. Now they're asking for a pause on any release.
What do we want? Justice for Kilmar!
Kilmar Abrego Garcia's supporters want him back in Maryland. It's the only way, they say, to right the federal government's wrong after they mistakenly deported him from Maryland to El Salvador back in March. Abrego Garcia had been living in Maryland with his family illegally for more than a decade before his arrest shined a national spotlight on the Trump administration's immigration policies.
So where do y'all live at?
Where are you living? I live in Maryland.
Maryland?
Yeah.
Now he's facing human smuggling charges in Tennessee and may be released before his trial in January. His lawyers say they fear he'll be immediately returned to ICE custody and taken to another country and could wind up back in El Salvador, the very place an immigration judge in Maryland ruled he could not be deported because he faced gang violence.
I mean, we would immediately trigger what's called a reasonable fear interview to that third country. So that would allow us to try to seek protection, a similar protection to what Mr. Abrego has right now from El Salvador to this new country.
In a new motion, Abrego Garcia's lawyers write, given the uncertainty of the outcome of any removal proceedings, Mr. Abrego respectfully requests the issuance of an order releasing him be delayed for 30 days to allow him to evaluate his options and determine whether additional relief is necessary.
It's hard to think about being in that position if you get dumped in a country where you have no contacts, have no language skills. I mean, it's a hard thought. And again, we're going to do everything we can to make sure that he gets the due process he didn't receive before.
The Department of Justice does not object to the 30-day pause. At the same time, a Maryland judge is deciding whether to return Abrego Garcia to our state. The Trump administration says they will not back down on the criminal case and believe Abrego Garcia is a threat to public safety.
He was a smuggler of humans and children and women. These facts demonstrate Abrego Garcia is a danger to our community.
That trial will start in late January, and it appears Abrego Garcia will remain here in the United States for now. At federal court, Mike Helgren, WJZ.
Mike, thank you. Well,